How do busy partners manage romance and
How do
attention in
busy
marriage,
partners,
especially for pastors?
Interestingly, pastors are not the busiest people on earth, even though pastors could be busy. At the end of the day, it is to remember to prioritize our relationship. Homes that last, they prioritize their relationship. No matter how busy they are, they find a way to find time to be together with each other. And actually, for me, the height of romance is communication. That time when you spend talking to each other, rubbing each other, and all of that. For example, me, I like touching my wife's hair, so we just create time to talk together, lie together on the bed. Now, I'm busy, that's the reality, but then I must make it a duty to spend 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and we just gist and talk together. That's how it is done. Don't isolate pastor. There are so many busy people, bankers, military men, and people are busy, but it first starts with that deliberateness. We must talk 5-10 minutes. Okay, let's use the opportunity to catch up and have fun and all of that. Let's see the same movie. Let's play some games together. Let's play some game. Let's those little things, they count a lot for romance. And no matter how busy you are, let your sex life not suffer as a couple, because once it begins to suffer, everything will be destroyed very quickly. Praise God.